Now you are in the lesson, which is part of the course. You can manage the existing materials in the lesson, adding or editing widgets, files, and assignments. For example, you can add more simple questions to the listening task, or change the open questions on the slide. To create and add more educational materials to the lesson, click the plus button to select the widget you need and use it to place them. Here, you can create folders to organize your materials, add lesson materials on the slides, as many as you need, include YouTube videos, and create listening tasks. You can also use feedback widgets such as simple questions with one correct answer, complex questions with several correct answers, text answers, and sorting tasks. Let's note that in a lesson that is part of a course, the context is already defined. It is taken from the settings of the course to which this lesson belongs. Therefore, there is no need to define the context separately for the platform's AI assistant to generate materials. The AI assistant in such a lesson will generate materials based on the context of the course itself. The AI assistant is everywhere. On the left in the editing panel, near the folders, in the materials, in the comment field for the slides, and at the bottom right, where the AI assistant is ready to generate materials. With this panel, you can rename materials, duplicate them, or delete them. Also, you can upload your files to the lesson in two ways. The first way is here. The second way is here. You can upload your material from your computer using the cloud button with an arrow. You can upload documents in any format, and the platform will convert it to PDF. In this field, you write your assignments, comments, and answers to the assignments that the students do not see. And here you can use the editing panel for existing materials on the slides. Now let's create an audio file with materials for further work with it. You can enter a title for the selected widget or leave it as, for example, Listening for. You can move all widgets before or after other widgets. Here, you enter your comments, tasks for the students, and answers or transcriptions of the text if necessary. This field is not visible to your students, it is accessible only to you. Type the subject of the text or the assignment for the students. For example, dialogue on a first meeting. In the black field, you need to enter the listening text. One of the advantages of the Teachguin platform is that it allows you to use not only descriptive text, but also to create dialogues. Let's create one with the AI assistant here. Generate text. Add here words and phrases that should be used in the text. Generate. Here is the dialogue that we can use. Press Paste Text. Click the Voice Out button. To check the resulting audio, click Play and listen to the generated audio. Students can listen to the audio at both normal speed and at a slower speed. On the platform, the dialogue is read by different voices in roles, which is very convenient for students.
Hello, my name is Anna. It's nice to meet you.
Hi, Anna. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you, too. Where are you from?
To create, for example, questions for listening comprehension, you can use feedback widgets. In this field, you can enter your comments, which will be visible only to you. Type your question here and add several answers. Don't forget to choose the correct one. Only you will see the selected correct answer. Students won't be able to see it. Students will find out which answer is correct only when they select and click on one of the options.